Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage cassette paper settings on your Canon TS8351a. So first, what you guys need to do is go over to the settings. Now go to feed settings and here select cassette paper settings. So now you need to load plain paper of a compatible size, so either A4, letter B5 or A5 into the cassette. So I'll see you guys once I do that. And now after that you need to confirm the current cassette setting. So if it's A4 and plain paper, then that's good and that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.